this is Vicki with VHK Consulting. Thank you for taking the time to join today's training, where we'll be discussing how to use Microsoft Project to create a timeline. Do you use Microsoft Project and wish that there was a way to easily view your task information in a small compressed way and be able to share that information with other people in your organization? Well, there is. The project timeline is a great way to summarize project plans and share that information using other Microsoft programs such as PowerPoint or Word or other applications as well. To turn on the timeline, simply go to View and then click on Timeline. The timeline appears at the top of the screen in its own window. Notice that there is a green bar at the beginning and end of the displayed timeline. So the timeline is currently showing a date range that corresponds with the date range of the Gantt chart. You can increase or decrease the amount of detail that is displayed in the Gantt chart by using this to zoom, or another way would be to pan across the entire project Gantt chart. As you drag the selection, the Gantt chart displays the information. You can add your tasks to the timeline as well. An easy way to do that would be to right-click and click on Add to Timeline. You can do that for multiple tasks, and the tasks are then displayed in the timeline. Another way to add tasks is to go to the Timeline Tools format. So simply click on the timeline to make that ribbon tab active, and then click on Existing Tasks and select the specific task that you would like to add to your timeline. It's common practice to add phases or higher level summary tasks to a timeline, but you certainly can add subtasks as well. Additionally, another way to display your tasks, especially when it comes to milestone tasks, is to add that to the timeline, and notice that the milestone tasks are displayed as callouts. So any task with a 0-day duration would be displayed this way. You can customize and modify the formatting of your timeline as well. We'll cover that in the next video. Thank you for joining, and be sure to tune into the next video where we'll talk about customizing and formatting the timeline.